welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, my name is Peggy. Today's video is all about recreating this BlackPink Rosé on the ground pretty in pink ruffle dress challenge. Before that, let me take you back to 1 week ago. You are probably wondering why we care so much about what celebrities wear on the red carpet or in their music video. And why am I making this video? Well, my goal is to show you the no limit on what you can do, and you don't have to be rich or a celebrity to look like celebrity. So I decided to take this challenge. The question is whether I will survive this experience or not, but I'm thinking if I make it, then I will bring it out for a grand reveal. So make sure you stay till the end. I will upload another full tutorial with step-by-step how to make this dress with patterns cutting and some sewing techniques. Make sure you subscribe on my channel and click on the bell notification so you will not miss out. Rosé enters the music video with a ruffles dress. Thematically, ruffles are made for Rosé. This baby pink ruffle dress definitely one of the standouts from the video. It was the Haleia Voluminous ruffle sleeve mini dress that she sported, and it ranged between $2,200 to $2,400. Well, I recreated this dress for less than $20. Well, not even close to the magic Rosé exuded, but I tried. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. As usual, more photos of this will be on my Instagram, and don't forget, if you make any of my things, use hashtag #MakeWithPeggyPeggy so I can find it and shower love on it. If you are all the way here without subscribing, just subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!